about centrifuge safety. Industrial scale centrifuges are commonly used in manufacturing and waste processing to sediment suspended solids or to separate immiscible liquids. An example is the cream separator found in dairies. This presentation covers introduction, types, parts, hazards, safety controls, and emergency equipments required at centrifuge operation area. A centrifuge is a device which employs a high rotation speed to separate components of different densities. Centrifuge separates solid materials from liquids in slurry and therefore plays an important role in waste treatment, chemical, oil, and food processing industries. There are different types of centrifuges used in industries based on process requirements. Some of the centrifuges are top discharge centrifuge, vertical peeler centrifuge, horizontal peeler centrifuge, inverting filter centrifuges. Coming to parts of centrifuges, the basic parts of the centrifuges are hydraulic unloader, hydraulic motor, fume vent, wash pipe, RPM probe, feed pipe, load detector, hinged cover, liquid outlet, sight glass, greased bearing hosing, tapered spindle, solid outlet, light glass, case ring, cover interlock, case, perforate basket, link stand, and snap-in filter media. Next we discuss about hazards related to centrifuge handling. The most common type of centrifuge accident results from a failure to balance the load. Mechanical failure can result in ejection of pieces of metal or the production of sparks and heat caused by friction. Electrocution from defective portable electrical equipment or due to work with defective electrical installations. Infectious hazards resulting from aerosols, tube breakage, and chemical hazards resulting from contact with substances. Fires during work with flammable substances and or due to release of flammable gases during operation, and static electricity due to powdered material dispersion or improper earthing or bonding. Next, what are the safety controls we have to follow at centrifuge operation? Double body earthing to all centrifuges for discharge static electricity. Earth jumpers are provided to centrifuge feed line and washing pipeline flange joints to avoid static accumulation. Nitrogen blanketing system is provided with the rotameter to the centrifuge basket motor area to maintain inert atmosphere. Allow relaxation time after centrifugation over and before opening the lid. Ensure centrifuge lid is locked with Y-type lid locking double chain hooks. Provide a clean earth rod in the material carbide before unloading material from centrifuge. Unloading person should wear the full body air suit, wristband, and provide earthing to material unloading scoop. Both end connections are connected to the centrifuge. And then what are the emergency equipments to be installed at centrifuge operation area? Portable fire extinguisher nearby centrifuge, ceiling mounted fire extinguisher on the top of the centrifuge, fire hydrant and swing fire hose seals valve nearby centrifuge, zero speed interlock and lid interlock must available to stop centrifuge before unloading the material from the centrifuge. Vibration sensor available to centrifuge to monitor the excess vibration, proximity sensor, and centrifuge vent is connected to scrubbing system or flame arrestor to be provided for open vent. Breathing air provision for using PPE like breathing air suit. This is about centrifuge safety. Thanks for watching and please subscribe, like, share and comment.